Hi, my name is Andrew Shcherbak. I'm a sound designer and a music composer, and you're watching my demo reel. In this video, I will show you some techniques that I use to implement audio in the game engine using Unity and Fabric. Let's start with this survival shooter game. So you're the guy that just woke up and evil bunnies and teddy bears are trying to eat you. So you need to kill as many of them as possible. Pretty simple. Okay, they got me. To implement these sounds that you heard, I used Fabric plugin and Unity engine. I added Fabric Manager to manage all the events that should be triggered in the game. I added Fabric Random component to trigger gunshot sound. I dropped a couple of single-shot WAV files and adjusted parameters as pitch and pitch randomization volume to this event, so we're able to hear a slight variation of the fire sound, to make it more realistic. Then I created a group component for the death sound. Added a new event, called it Death. Created Death Stinger. However, every time I assign sound using Fabric, I have to go to the programmer's code and make some adjustments. First of all, I had to say that Unity should use Fabric. Then go through the script where the death action is written and type these lines. Fabric Event Manager, Instant Post Event Death. It tells the game to play my Fabric events with the sound attached to it. Yeah. Another thing that I implemented is random music component, which allows us to hear different music tracks each time we start the game. So here it is. Let's make sure it's 2D. Select random, no repeat. Right here. Finally, I created this simple ambience behavior of the robotic parts, so I created an empty object on this part of the robot, adjusted zones where the ambience should sound, created nice fades, so when we move our character farther away, the volume gets lower. My trigger is a collider, and I have their looped sound, and the trouble that I got into that enemies were triggering that ambience as well. And I created this simple script that tells audio not to play if anyone except the main character enters the zone. Yeah, let's test it. So there's our ambience. Going back, it stops. Here we're in the zone again. So you get the picture. Alright. Now let's have a look on the other game. So this is a third-person shooter called Angry Bots. I made a great work on it. Recorded and processed voiceovers.
Access granted.
This can't wait, HQ. I'm going in.
Recorded Foley. Created sound effects and ambiances. Wrote music and implemented all assets using Unity. Also, I have implemented some additional stuff like reverb zones, ambiances of computer rooms, and environmental noises. It was really fun working on this project. Let's listen to it a little bit, and then I will show you the Fabric part of implementation.
Agent Smith, our sensors are detecting multiple hostile units. Combat Team Delta.
Another one bites the dust. Stations Nexus AI is about to launch an attack on Ganymede. If you wait any longer, it's gonna be too late.
Do not engage. Repeat, do not engage.
This can't wait, HQ. I'm going in. Gee, that looks painful. Another one bites the dust. Ouch!
Access.
You information showreel.
Sorry about that. Gee, that looks painful.
So in this example, I have exploration music loop, combat music loop, and intense combat music loop, which are playing depending on the amount of the active enemies involved in the combat. And now I want to show you in another music example how I used Fabric and its timeline component to create intensity rise as your character moving forward in the game progress. So I made these zones in the game. When you pass each zone, the new layer of the music loop will play. Kinda cool, right? And yeah, this code will tell the event, which I called music timeline, to start playing my music layers when they will reach the certain intensity parameters. I muted all other sound effects to hear it clearly. We can follow the screen and the sustain points on the bottom of the screen. So here it is, it's just the bass and the contrabass. We passed the first zone and guitars appear. The next zone is cello. So I recorded some synth, cello, violin and guitars for this composition in the studio, mixed it and mastered it to deliver a good quality mix for this reel. I hope you enjoy it. We're about to pass the fourth zone and hear the violins and all the instruments all together. Really epic, really epic. I hope you enjoyed my reel. It was fun making it. Next time I'll show you how I use Fmod and Unity to implement sounds. And while that, you can go check some of my crazy sound design on my website, pencilboxsounds.com. See you later!